2024 Audi Q4 E-Tron gets chassis updates, more power, faster charging. Audi is also rolling out naming changes. Car makers normally roll out big changes at the beginning of a new model year. But Audi is bucking that trend to make improvements to the Q4 E-Tron. Halfway through the 2024 model year, the electric crossover gets updates such as more horsepower and more driving range. The motors still draw electricity from an 82 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, but Audi explains its engineers optimized the cell chemistry to increase the DC fast charging capabilities. As a result, topping up from 10% to 80% takes about 28 minutes under normal conditions, according to the manufacturer. These changes make the Q4 E-Tron compatible with 175 kilowatt charging, up from 150 kilowatts before. It's not just the charging system that's faster. Audi fitted the rear axle with a new electric motor that bumps the dual-motor drivetrain's output up to 335 horsepower. A healthy 40-horse increase compared to the outgoing system. Hitting 60 miles per hour from a stop takes 5 seconds flat, down from 5.8 seconds before. And Audi notes that the crossover's EPA estimated maximum driving range increases from 236 to 258 miles. The brand adds that it improved the steering response and tweaked the suspension system to deliver better performance without sacrificing comfort. When we drove the earlier version of the Q4 in September 2022, we wrote that handling is good enough to have fun with. Yet the ride quality remains pleasantly calm, so it will be interesting to find out how the chassis updates affect the Q4's real-world behavior. Both the standard Q4 and the sportier-looking, fastback-like Sportback model receive these updates. There's not much to report in the way of visual changes, though buyers can now order 21-inch wheels wrapped by all-season tires. Audi made one final change. The Q4 ditches the 50 E-Tron designation and becomes the 55 E-Tron. It's a small distinction, but it's one to keep in mind if you're in the market for a Q4. Audi dealers across the nation will begin receiving the updated Q4 in April 2024. Pricing for the full all-wheel drive range is as follows: 2024 Q4 E-Tron Premium, $56,395, 2024 Q4 E-Tron Premium Plus, $61,095, 2024 Q4 E-Tron Prestige, $63,395, 2024 Q4 E-Tron Sportback Premium, $59,395, 2024 Q4 E-Tron Sportback Premium Plus, $64,095, 2024 Q4 E-Tron Prestige, $66,395. These figures include a $1,195 destination charge. The entry-level, rear-wheel drive Q440 E-Tron, $50,995, remains available as well. Related video.